What is going on, you guys? It's your girl Danny Cash of the KASH Empire. Thanks for coming to watch my video. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you an update on Second Splash and my progress thus far, okay? If you have been following me, then you know that I have been using this to generate traffic. Alright, but before I get into the details, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video, because on my channel, I like to show you guys how to create multiple income streams, how to generate traffic, and how to build your brand and business online. Okay, so you're going to want to subscribe to my channel. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I am just going to log into my Second Splash account here and show you what I've done thus far, okay? Alright, so this is the dashboard, and as soon as you log into Second Splash, everything you need is right here on the dashboard. You can see your total downline, commissions, and also your status as a member, okay? So scrolling down, you can also see all of your splash pages that you have created. And I added these last 3 just this morning, okay? So as you can see, they are already generating views. But scrolling up, you can see that I have generated hundreds of thousands of views to my business, and I'm getting a ton of clicks, okay? So I'm not going to go too much in depth of this platform because I've done that in my previous videos. But I do want to just share my experience thus far, and so far, I am loving the platform. I am really big on if a platform is effective, if it's producing, if this is something I can use long term. And this is a platform that I can see myself using long term. This reminds me of Lead Sleep as well as the Downliner. But what I love about this platform and what sets it apart is that you have the ability to build your email list on complete autopilot, and it kind of just does its own thing, okay? So as you can see, I have a downline of 172. Now, every person that joins you in Second Splash, all right, you are able to create a free account. Every person that joins you, you have to pass up your first 2 members before you can even begin building your downline, okay? So when people join me, their first 2 signups come to me, okay? So these may be people I may have never been in contact with, or maybe have never been able to meet, okay, unless that other person referred them to Second Splash. And that is the beauty of building your downline, and they become a part of your email list, okay? So when you click view and message, you are able to export these leads, and you can import them into whatever, you know, list building service that you use. I use Lead Sleep, but there are a ton of different platforms that you can use, and you're able to upload those and contact these people. They are a part of your leads in your email list, okay? So that is a beautiful thing about this platform, is the ability to build your email list on autopilot. All you need is a few people who are actually using the platform, and once they pass up their first 2, those people are your direct signups, okay? And now those people have to pass up their first 2 as well to you. So it kind of just does its own thing and takes on a life of its own, okay? So also, I love that you can earn 50% commissions as a pro member, and this gives you the ability to build a residual income as well as earn high ticket commissions. So I'm just gonna go here to click to view. All right, and as you can see, I've earned high ticket commissions as well as, you know, residual monthly commissions, okay? So this just is a great way, whether, you know, you come in, it doesn't matter if you come in as a month-to-month member or if you come in as a lifetime member, you're able to build an income here as well. So you're generating traffic, you're building your email list, and you are able to receive small to high ticket commissions. So it's pretty much the best of both worlds. Is everything all combined, and this is something that I would promote long term, okay? So month to month to become a pro member, that is what I am. It is $22 per month, okay? So as you can see, that is a great profit from just spending $22 per month in upgrading. And then I am hands-on. I am very hands-on. I am very active, so I am promoting it. I am contacting my signups when they join. I am sending those welcome emails. So you have to be hands-on if you want to get conversions. It's very important that you connect and welcome the people to the platform. Congratulate your people when they're bringing people in and sending those welcome emails, okay? But as you can see, they have an annual membership, and that's the Platinum Pro membership, and that allows you to get access to a ton of other features like stickers and just a lot more stuff, a lot more fonts, a lot more that you can do with your splash pages when you're creating them, okay? Because on the month-to-month membership, you are very limited. So if you want more As far as building your splash pages, I highly suggest that you upgrade either Platinum Pro or Lifetime membership, okay? And I think this is maybe 150-ish, I'm not sure, and this is maybe 400 or 500, I'm not sure. But you would just click on those to see the upgrade options. They're offered to you at a lower price when you first join, so if you're going to grab those, I highly suggest you get the first time, the one-time offer. That way you're getting it. And this one is annual, this one's lifetime, and as a lifetime member, you don't have to worry about ever upgrading again, okay? It's a lifetime membership, so you have everything you need, and you're able to get all the commissions, and you never have to pay another thing again. With the month-to-month, you are paying every month, and with the annual, you are paying every year, okay? So it just depends on your budget and what you are trying to accomplish with using this platform. But you can join this platform absolutely free. You can start generating traffic. That's another thing I love, is generating traffic. As a pro member, it is all autopilot. Everyone who is promoting their co-op link for their second splash membership, your splash pages will be shown on those people's pages. So that is how you're able to get thousands of views using second splash. Okay, so that is another benefit of upgrading to pro membership. But as you can see, everything is great. I'm absolutely loving the platform. I'm going to continue to use it. I'm going to continue to refer people. I think everyone should be using this. I am big on Lead Sleep, and this is just as beneficial as Lead Sleep. It has its own features, its own goodies, a part of the platform. So if you're not a member, I highly suggest you create your free account and get involved. Even as a free member, you can earn commissions. As a free member, you only earn 25% commissions. But when you sign up, I highly suggest that you read every single page and understand the platform. Now, what I do for those who join me is I have a complete training site for my team, and I break down pretty much the whole platform, and I tell you the best way to utilize and build on this platform, and how to create splash pages. So as you can see, here is a training site for those who join me. You get access to this site, and the videos are, as you can see, pretty short. Some are a little longer, but they're pretty short, and I'm pretty just much showing you how to use the Second Splash platform and how I'm using it to create results. Okay, so that will be available to you. The link to join Second Splash is under this video, and I help those who join me get signups. Okay, so I'm helping those who join me get their first 2 out of the way. Okay, so everyone joins me, you're going to be added to my downline, and I'm helping you get your first 2, and your first 2 automatically come to me, but I'm helping you. Okay, so it's beneficial to us both. All right, so the link is in the description. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. I will get to them as soon as possible. Okay, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and yeah, that is it. You can watch the other videos that I've made previous to this, where I give you a little bit more information on how the platform works. They will show up here on this page now. All right, and that is it. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.